Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Curtis. We're back, C3 Garage Media. So today is Saturday, July 18th. We are at IMI Motorsports Park here in Erie-Dacono, Colorado. Just getting unloaded for Drift Colorado round 3. You can see everyone's just starting to arrive. It is going to be a hot one today. We're looking at like 100 degrees. Got my little makeshift tent pit area here. Got the IS jacked up. I'm gonna go ahead and put some burners on the back to get started. I'm gonna try out these Mucho Macho Cosmo tires this weekend. I got 10 of them, and Levi said he might have a couple extra I could get if I need. But yeah, looking forward to some serious seat time today and tomorrow. Today is going to be open drift plus comp, and tomorrow is going to be all open drift. So appreciate you guys following along. C3 Garage Media. First entry, first lap. Alright, so I just got back from my first practice rip on the course. God, the IS is feeling good today. Man, it's feeling good. But it's hot as heck out here. It's like 100 degrees. But yeah, the IS did awesome. I like these Cosmo tires. They're really feeling grippy and not wearing too fast. I'm just gonna let it cool off for a minute and go out for some more rips. Check this out. Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. Well, quick report. The IS is doing awesome. Just came back, finished my second set of tires, so that was the first one. Second set. I still had like maybe a lap on these if I really needed it, but these were cording so bad I didn't want to push it. So finally stepping up to the big boys on the 18s now with the 225s. I have 1, 2, and 3 sets of these to go. And then Levi was awesome enough to just sell me a set of 245 45 18s. So these are a little wider and a little taller than I usually run, but we'll probably kill these tomorrow. So I'll have those mounted on one of the 18s after I clean them off. So that'll give me 4 more sets. It's about 1 o'clock, so we're getting ready to start tandem practice for the competition, and yeah, we'll be ripping. All right, well, it may be a shorter event than I hoped. Just pulled off track, and definitely got a little oil coming out of the front of my turbo, so we're just gonna send it. We are at the properly social distance masked drivers meeting for today. This is the drivers meeting for the B and A comp tandem. So here we go. Welcome back, guys. So about midday, we're at about 3 o'clock, and we're getting ready for the Group B tandem competition, which I hope I have a good shot in today. Like, I've been feeling really, really good. Got a brand new set of tires on. It's kind of raining out a little bit, so who knows what that'll do to the, you know, the whole mix here. But the IS definitely feels down on power. So I don't know if it's just that this turbo's giving out on me, because it is definitely leaking oil, or if I'm getting excessive blow-by, because I am definitely getting oil through the crankcase breather into the intake. But at this point, I got no choice but to send it, so we're gonna send it and see what this comp does for it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think we might have some bad news for the IS. I did literally 1/2 lap to get over here, and there's just oil pouring out of my gas can here. So there's oil just pushing through. I think I'm getting some blow-by, most likely. Got a hurt motor here. You guys ready? Go!
said he feels like he's down about 100 horsepower. Excellent, excellent.
That was sick, dude. It was super smooth. Thanks, man. I was trying to go wide so you could follow. Yeah, dude, it was nice. I was there. It was pretty. Thanks. I can't wait to see the GoPro. We were there close on this last one. Too bad the GoPro was on the other side. I know. Well, it kind of tilted it that way a little bit. So look, harness on. Okay, go whenever you're ready. Go. too, but feels good to lose to Levi. So had a great battle going on with Levi at the end there. Won my first battle. Second battle was with Levi. Got to do it one more time because we both spun. Really feel like it was some of my best driving, even though the IS is definitely low on power. So right now, every run, it's pretty much just blasting some oil out of either the turbo or it really, I think it's coming from the crankcase breather here. So maybe the car is just, you know, ringland broke or something's allowing pressure to push oil through the car. So I'm just gonna keep sending it for the night, and yeah, it's amazing battles.
Go champ.
Padre was here filming for me. It was awesome. Alright, so getting ready to head out, and what could be my last rips of the night. The IS is just kind of limping right now. Still got about 2 laps left on these tires. So impressed with this car today. I mean, even hurt, it did good, and really progressed in my driving. So appreciate you guys watching the journey. Let's go for another rip. What up, homie? Ooh, it's slick. Nice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for following along. It was going to be a 2-day event, but with the IS in its current condition, burning oil, and you know, I just think something's not right. We need to take care of it. So